Hello, it's Victor the Dodge. Hope you're having a great day. Today I want to say success leaves clues. Now, success leaves clues is a phrase that was often used by both Jim Rohn and Tony Robbins. And what that means is if you want to be successful, you don't have to figure it out all on your own. You can watch what other people have done and model what they do. So go see what successful people are doing and just try to do some of the same things they do. If you do that, you are much more likely to be successful. If you try to do it on your own, try to figure it out all by yourself, your chances of being successful are not that good. So if you want to become a successful blogger, go see what other successful bloggers are doing. If you want to become successful doing videos, find out what the successful video makers are doing. If you want to create a successful network marketing business, see what the successful network marketers are doing. All you need to do is look and see what other successful people are doing and just model them. So for example, when I wanted to host my first event, what did I do? I looked at other successful people and I watched how they did their successful events. And I took the things that I really liked about their events and I used them in my events. And as a result, my events were very successful. I modeled what other people were doing. And that's what I've done in my businesses over the years. I look to see what other successful people have done and try to model some of those same successful traits that they have. And it's helped me out a lot. And I can guarantee you that if you want to be successful, just start modeling other people. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. All the successful principles have been done for many, many years. So just go look at what other successful people are doing, model what they do, and utilize it in your business. Be consistent in it, and I can guarantee you, you will be successful. So remember, success leaves clues. This is Victor the Dodge. I hope you got a lot of value from this video. Feel free to share with other people and subscribe to my channel below. Have yourself a wonderful day. Take care.